searching down all around this empty town. We're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just there 'cause the flames won't burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. You walk by the rolling sea. You meant the world to me.
Oh, that sounds beastly.
Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Eros
Beastly monkey.
and together we are Likely Salt. So today we're going to be changing it up a bit. We're doing like a type of workshop diary type of buzz, right? So we've made our way through to Work Racing, which is owned by Booney in the background over there. So yeah, we'll see him now, bro. Yeah, so we're just busy checking out the balls that he has here, and he's also busy carrying out some work
On the white car.
on the 180i. I must also mention that, look, for me, I'm very particular over what I choose. I know Booney does phenomenal, exceptional work. He has racing heritage as well. We'll go into that as well. So having him work on the car is an absolute privilege. But yeah, we'll just speak to him a bit and we can take it from there.
So, what are we busy doing on the white car today?
Okay, so I brought the white car through to Booney today to replace the water pump, as well as the timing belt for me. So quite some time back the car actually started overheating, and then Chris and myself figured that it would be a thermostat. We went there and we replaced that, and it got worse. It got a bit worse, like my heater was shutting. In the normal circumstances, when you're doing a full finding what we need, that is normally the thermostat, right? In this regard, it just wasn't, unfortunately. So what I did after that is I pulled the radiator, I sent it away to get it refurb. Issue was still there, and then we did a bit of testing on our end, came through to Booney, and then here we are right now. So he's gonna get it 100% sorted for me.
Okay. Can you just explain what the actual issue is on the car?
Oh. So the car is overheating. Firstly, you'll see that inside by the gauge, and this bottom radiator hose doesn't get hot, so it's not water is not flowing through to the block. And yeah, so what I did as well is I removed the thermostat. The thermostat sits here, that's the housing. I removed the thermostat, replaced the fan switch as well, which Booney actually said I need to change.
Perfect. People are not getting on. There's my stuck and see.
But I'm still on the premium level as well. This was like a luxury cigarette right now.
For the channel, and criticize. Check out.
is a MacGyver and all.
Yeah, so that's how you work it. Really?
Nah, it goes so fast.
Let's turn it slowly. Okay. Okay.
Short shot.
Yeah.
Dixon, do you want to be on YouTube? Say hi to the guys, the subscribers.
So it's just loosening the mounting a bit so that you can drop the motor a little.
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go. Here the crank pulley came out as well. Crank pulley comes out. Yeah. So it's just the cover that needs to be removed.
They're taking a while to get to the cover so that it gets melted.
Yeah. So if you're going to be doing this, there's quite a bit of parts that you also need to remove, like the power steering pump needs to come off, and yeah. This is the parts that Boonnie will be replacing for me. So I picked up a new timing belt and I picked up a Waterpump. So Boonnie reckons this is a very good brand. It is also OE certified. GMB is the mic. Just pop that open.
So unboxing video.
Yeah.
The water pump.
Yeah. Nice. We'll see now how mine looks, but this is probably gone. And you see, because my water pump, it's not leaking, so I believe the O-ring will. There's a little O-ring that keeps it, man. That fails and then the water comes out. So I'm not losing water. It could be the fins or the bearing in it. Yeah, there's no pressure. This water pump is specific to this motor, of course. This is a B18 B4, so you would need to get a pump that's specific to your motor. Okay guys, so Boonnie just gave us the lowdown that you do actually get different variations of water pump for the B18 B4 as well. So it is recommended that you grab a sample.
What did he say? There was another B18. Yeah, another B18 B4,
Yeah.
B3 and something.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Oh, yeah, but you get them here by us also.
no.
Oh yeah. So here we have the B3 and the B4. Obviously you get the B18 C1 and all of that. Alright guys, so this is the water pump that just came out of the car right now. Look how it looks. So the fins are completely gone. That's what it should look like. And yeah, that is just how Boonnie diagnosed it for me. So the fins, that's causing that there's no pressure. It's not pushing through. Yo, that's bad. Alright guys, so I just want to do a walk around of what's currently chilling in the work racing headquarters. First on the list, supercharged K20 CRX. Very nice. It's another FN2 that we needed some work on. It's actually a Joburg car, so the car was sent all the way down. Comes from Joburg. Boonnie had to do some work on it. S2000, very nice. EG 180i. I just want to show you what's right here. Let's check this out. So this is a car that Booney bought not too long ago. So 180i originally, and he did a complete case swap on it. I mean, this thing is going to be absolutely beastly. So it's going to be pretty exciting to see how this thing performs. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you guys another build that Booney is busy with at the moment. It's for EK. As you can see over here, so this car was actually sent to Booney all the way from the Eastern Cape. The motor is klar, as you can see over there. Yeah, so that's a B18. So the client actually bought all new parts for this build. So this is actually a B18. So I can get in there. A B18 B2 block, which we actually don't get here in South Africa. That's the import block. B16A VTEC head. It has Skunk 2 cams fitted now. Everything brand new. Skunk 2 Pro Series intake. And I believe these injectors, they also different, Booney?
Yeah, the K series injectors.
Oh, nice. So K series injectors as well. And it's running with the S4C gearbox. So I mean, this thing is going to be absolutely monstrous. What do you rate this is going to make, more or less, power figures?
Estimating about between 165 and 175 on this.
That's very impressive. And for those who know Mace's dyno, their dyno is very accurate. So yeah, we can't wait to see the startup on this. Booney will keep us in the loop with regards to when this is done. We can check some tuning happening and so on and so forth. So that's going to be pretty epic.
Okay guys, that seems to be the end of the video. It was so Riyadh, aka Booney, lives basically around the corner from me. And it was the first time I got to meet him. Very nice guy.
Humble as hell, bro. And we learned a lot.
Yeah,
we learned a lot.
But it was nice to also get like a first-hand, behind-the-scenes experience of the trial and error and how he got to where he is and how the name became the name, basically.
Yeah. So work racing, guys. Look, we will drop all Booney's information in the description. It will be throughout the video as well. If you guys have any issues with your cars, anything like that, just want to have a checkup done, anything like that, be sure to check him out. He's a pretty humble guy. He's based in Lotus.
Yeah, Lotus River.
Yeah. Very close to the BP garage. But I mean, yeah, you can grab all the information, the exact details from Booney himself. Again, I just want to say shout a lot to Booney, to Riyadh Isaacs for inviting us over and for the work carried out on the white Ballade. The car is now 100% sorted, so I'm pretty happy. And I mean, like I mentioned, we didn't just take home the fact that the car sorted, we took home an experience. This was an experience for us.
Yeah, no, definitely.
So this is going to be a new series that we're going to be releasing. We're not too sure on time frame as yet. It will be like a behind the boulder type of thing. Just so you can get to know some of the guys putting in the work within the community. You will see us more often by Booney, of course, because he's going to be working on our cars a lot more in future. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, be sure to hit that like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon.
Peace.
Peace.